everyone, welcome to Krishna Dental Hospitals. This is Dr. Radha Geetika, implantologist. Today we are going to discuss about the benefits of dental implants. Dental implants are usually inserted into your jawbone wherever there is a missing tooth. So usually we give local anesthesia in that region, in that missing region, and then we place the dental implant on top of that where we give a dental crown. Every patient who is having a missing tooth is not eligible for getting dental implants. Coming to the benefits of the dental implants, the first benefit is the durability. Dental implants are made up of titanium. Titanium is very durable to the human body, which is a medical graded titanium. It usually lasts a lifetime. And coming to the bone loss, so usually whenever the tooth is missing, then bone resorption starts if we do not replace the tooth. Usually the root portion of the tooth helps in maintaining the bone height. So whenever the tooth is lost, the entire tooth along with the root is lost. Bone resorption starts once the root portion of the tooth is missing. A dental implant is placed in the root portion, which helps in preventing the bone loss and maintains the bone height, and it also gives the natural appearance. So when compared with the dentures, that is fixed partial dentures or removable partial dentures or complete dentures, dental implants fill all the gap in between the bone and the gums, which gives us a natural appearance when compared to the other alternatives for the replacement of the missing. It also keeps the adjacent teeth stable. Usually when a tooth is missing, then the adjacent teeth and the opposing teeth tend to move, drift from its place to cover or to close the gap where the tooth is missing, and it also restores the cosmetic appearance of the face. Usually whenever the tooth is lost, then the cosmetic appearance or the aesthetic appearance of the mouth and the face changes. So to restore the cosmetic appearance, we have to replace the missing teeth to give a perfect and a beautiful smile. It behaves like the natural teeth while speaking and chewing. So usually it is very difficult to mimic the naturality of the teeth. So dental implants are one such option where it exactly matches with the natural teeth, and it also improves the quality of the life. So usually when the teeth are missing, patients will tend to eat very less because of the missing teeth. They will not be able to taste properly. So dental implants improves the quality of life. So if missing teeth are present, then patients tend to have difficulty in eating and chewing and also speaking. So if we replace the missing teeth with the dental implants, then it increases the chewing ability and also speaking ability, so which in turn increases the quality of the life of the patient. It also restores the bite force. Usually the bite force with the dentures, that is removable dentures or the fixed partial dentures, is different from that of the natural teeth. Dental implants will mimic the bite force of the natural teeth. The bite force of the dental implant is very close to the natural teeth when compared with the fixed partial dentures or the complete dentures. So it also helps in restoring the bite force. So these are the few benefits of the dental implants. Thank you.